Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where passion for cars meets deep dive reviews into the most exciting vehicles shaping our roads today. In this video, we're bringing you something truly special, the rebirth of a legend, the Ford F100 4x4 2026. This isn't just a truck, it's a powerful reminder of Ford's heritage and a bold step into the future of pickup innovation. If you've been waiting for a vehicle that perfectly fuses nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, then buckle up because the new F100 is here to impress. The Ford F100 has a legacy that stretches back decades, and for many enthusiasts, it's a name that instantly stirs memories of rugged trucks built for work, family, and adventure. With the 2026 version, Ford has honored that past while giving us a model that fits seamlessly into the modern era. At first glance, the design makes its intentions clear. Its squared-off front end, bold stance, and retro-inspired grille give a respectful nod to its predecessors. Yet, modern touches like LED signature lighting, sleek body lines, and a muscular profile ensure that this truck looks just as futuristic as it does classic. The balance between retro styling and modern innovation is something few trucks have managed to nail, but the 2026 F100 does it flawlessly. Performance is where the F100 truly shines. This isn't just a stylish revival, it's a machine built for action. Ford has given buyers multiple engine options to satisfy different drivers. The standard EcoBoost V6 provides impressive efficiency without losing the strength Ford trucks are known for. For the purists who crave the growl and grunt of raw power, there's a V8 option that delivers thrilling performance. And for those who are ready for the next wave of trucking, Ford has hinted at an all-electric version, offering instant torque and zero emissions. The 4x4 system ensures this truck is ready for anything, whether you're navigating city streets, tackling rocky terrain, or pulling heavy loads across muddy trails. Inside the cabin, Ford has created a space that blends utility with luxury. Durable materials ensure the F100 can handle dirt, dust, and hard work, but at the same time, premium touches give it the comfort you'd expect in a modern vehicle. The infotainment system is powered by Ford's latest Sync 5, displayed on a massive digital touchscreen that keeps navigation, entertainment, and work tools right at your fingertips. Add to that a customizable digital driver display, wireless connectivity, and a suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, and you've got a truck that's as smart as it is strong. What makes the 2026 Ford F100 4x4 stand out is its ability to honor tradition without being stuck in the past. It takes everything we loved about the original F100 toughness, reliability, and iconic styling, and blends it with the performance, tech, and safety that today's drivers demand. It's not just for the job site or the trail, it's for those who want a versatile, stylish, and dependable truck that fits every part of their lifestyle. This revival is more than just a marketing move by Ford, it's a celebration of heritage and progress. The F100 has always been about strength and trust, and now it has returned to remind us why it was a legend in the first place. With the 2026 model, Ford isn't just looking back, they're showing us how the future of pickups can be bold, capable, and deeply connected to its roots. So, what do you think of the Ford F100 4x4 2026? Does this truck live up to the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you're excited about the return of the F100, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Trend for more deep dives into the vehicles shaping our future.